Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Education for All. I am Maria Memman and today we have a new topic for the discussion. So let's start our topic. Dear students, our today's topic is careers in biology. Means the student who are interested in the biology in future what careers they can adopt. So, dear students, there are many careers for the student of biology. First of all, medicine and surgery, then agriculture, then horticulture, forestry, farming, animal husbandry, fisheries, and finally, biotechnology. These are the uh, careers which are described in your ninth class biology book for the learners of biology students. So let's discuss in detail. And dear students, first of all, a student who has very much interest in the field of biology can become a good doctor. That is the field medicine and surgery. A person can diagnose and treat any kind of disease, and by surgery he can repair and replace the affected organs. So he becomes the doctor and can choose the career as a medicine and surgery. Then agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture deals with the production of variety of crops, fruits, vegetables and dairy products. Dear students, you know that Pakistan is an agricultural country and agriculture is the backbone of our country. So we can cultivate a number of crops, fruits, vegetables, and can increase the dairy production for the fulfillment of our peoples and also for the export. So it is very much important field related with the biology, and our most of the peoples are concerned with this field. So you can also make your future in the agriculture, and by agriculture we can support our country a lot. Then we move towards the horticulture. What is horticulture? Horticulture deals with the development of new varieties of plants and their productions, means how the new varieties of plants can be made and how their production can increase. This is a research based career, so you can also adopt the future as a horticulture expert. Then forestry. Dear student, what are forest? In forest, many plants and animals live in the wild. They live in the natural condition. But dear students, unfortunately, we have destroyed our forest life. We have destroyed many of the plants and animals for different purposes like housing and industries etc. We have destroyed the forest. So it is again in this field you can play your role for the development of and preservation of our wildlife, our animals, and our plants. And we can say that as a flora and fauna. So you can also make your future in the forestry. Then farming. Dear students, what is farming? Means to make a farm for the economically purpose. Now it is very much common. There are many farms like fish farm, cattle farm, poultry farm. These are the common examples of farms nowadays. New techniques are used for their increased production and the meat, leather, milk, and wool. By farming, we can get these productions in a huge amount by farming. So, in future, you can also make your career in farming. Then we move towards the animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? It is a part of agricultural science. It deals with the care and breeding of animals which are beneficial for man. Fisheries deals with the increased quantity and quality of fish, and finally biotechnology deals with the manipulation of genes for the improvement of human life and for the production of beneficial things like insulin, growth hormone, interferon, with the help of bacteria and many other organisms. Thanks. Hope you understand my lecture, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks.